Hello everyone, today let's cook scallion pancake. It's one Chinese traditional food. It's really delicious. "250 grams of flour, 2 grams of salt." We divide the flour in half. One side is 100 ml boiling water. The other side is 70 ml natural temperature water. In this way, the scallion pancake will keep soft even after it becomes cold. We keep kneading the dough until no more flour can be seen. Divide the dough to 6 parts. Knead the dough to long strips. Spread some oil on the top. Cover the dough with a film and let the dough rest for half an hour. During this time, let's prepare the green onions and the sauce. Finely chop 30 grams of green onion. Three tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 5 tablespoons of oil, 10 grams of green onion. After the green onion becomes golden brown, we take them out and turn off the fire. Pour the oil inside the flour. Mix well until get yogurt texture.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line.
Let's start to roll out the dough into a thin and large rectangle.
Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city
3 teaspoons of sauce.
our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You
Some
make
green
me
onion.
feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing
Make it as long as possible.
asking
Now roll it.
of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
Roll it out into a thin circle.
The world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times.
Let's fry it. 1 tablespoon of oil. We fry it in medium-low heat. Spread some oil on the top side.
Bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is
When the color of the pancake becomes golden, we flip it to the other side.
each color. I dive in.
After the color of the 2 sides both become golden, we take it out. This scallion pancake, if we eat it hot, it's very crispy. If we eat it cold, the texture of this pancake becomes soft. It's still delicious. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.